o mga kabayani o. Hoy! Talaga sinuswerte tayo. Ayan o, si Bro Kodos o.
Hello po.
Yun o, kasama natin mga kabayani. Ayan o, kasama din natin yung mga kabrad natin. Si Brad Eli, si Brad Ray. Ayan o, kasama natin. Mga ka-guardian ko to, mga kabayani. Yun, mga kasawi yun. Ito, yun o, mga kabrad natin yan.
Si tatlo tayo.
Si Brad Eli at si Brad Ray. Yan o, kompleto. Ano ba yung in-order ko sa Shopee? Kotse ba? Kotse
Isa pong coverall.
Overall, you know?
Coverall.
Overall.
Tapos mga lumang sapatos na napaglumaan.
Yun.
Na hindi po bago.
Yun.
Hindi po kasama rito sir.
Ay, kala ko kasama. Thank you very much, you know.
Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap.
You
Picture
know,
po tayo sir.
picture, you know, sobrang salamat.
Video.
Oo, sobrang salamat mga kabayani, you know, Bro Odo, salamat. Parating na si Abe, no? Robocop.
Sa 30.
Parating. Talagang naabalap ko pa kayong
Wala
tatlo.
yun.
You know, mga kabayani, sobrang, yan, meron na tayong magagamit. Medyo yung ating safety shoes na bigay sa atin, China eh.
Yan, safety na. Yung paa natin.
Nalusawan pa ako.
Wala tayong mabibiling paa.
Wala eh.
Pasensya na, late po kami, nagpa-gas kami.
Ano ba naman? Talagang si Bro Kudos pang humingi ng pasensya sa akin. Sobrang salamat. Kaya mga kabayani, yun o, ilalagay natin yung ating, yung kanyang page. May page yan si Bro Kudos. Kaya sa TikTok.
Pag i-follow nyo po ako, lahat po na magkaka-follow sa akin, magkakaroon po ng 1K.
Oy! Talaga?
Opo, 1K. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 1K para sa akin, isang kaibigan na darating.
Yung pala yun. Naisahan tayo dun mga kabayani. Pero hayaan nyo, madadali nyo rin 1K yan pag nag-live yan. Yun o mga kabayani. Yun, maraming salamat talaga. Bro Kodus. Yun o, Bro Ray. Yun o, Bro Eli. Yun o, ingat kayo. Mabuhay lahat ng guardians. Lalo na sa mga guardians na sa ibang bansa. I love you all. You know, tibay namin dito sa Libya. Yun.
2 hours later.
So yun mga kabayani. Bali bibiyahe tayo ngayon. Lalabas tayo ng company natin. Pupunta tayo sa isang probinsya ng Libya. Yung tinatawag nilang Adjedabia, mga kabayani. Bali kasi kukuha kami ng materialis doon at sinasama tayo ng boss natin.
Let's go,
Yeah, Sir Mufta and Sir Rasudin. Sir Rasudin, bye-bye Bye-bye. Ciao. Thank you very much. See you. So yun mga kabayani, alis kami ni Sir Mufta. At abangan nyo, tingnan nyo kung ano ang itsura ng isang probinsya dito sa Libya, sa Adjedabia. Kaya maraming salamat. Hanggang mamaya na lang. So, together with my boss.
Go to Jeddah.
Jeddah, yes. This is one privilege to me, you know. I'm very excited that I will go outside.
Yeah, we'll make a video in Jeddah.
Yeah. This is my memories, you know. Sir. This is my memories. Together with you and the place. Yeah. Too much. Kaya mga kabayani, abangan nyo kung ano ang ating makikita sa probinsya ng Adjedabia. Yan, abangan nyo. Mamaya na lang.
صباح
Palabas namin ang company namin.
قاعد اسمع فيك باهي لا الله بصراحه انا ماشي جدابي عرفتوا لا في الخير نبي نجيب الزواق عرفت جبت يومة العينه الصفر هذه فجبت سطل واحد المره الاولى جبنا 6 تم يقول لي كثروا الدي عرف ولا فانا قلت لا المره الثانيه بعد قالوا نبوا الاصفر هذا جبت سطل واحد فهمتوا اعطانا نص الواجهه اللي على اليسار هذه اللي عليها السكالا سوقوها داروها بالقهوي ونقلنا روز القهوي خلطوه تخليط في البيره تركب تقول ايش يحزموها تو
Ito, palabas na tayo. Yan, palabas na tayo mga kabayan. Palabas na tayo.
اوكي جميل
This one, university,
يا يونيفرسيتي بريك
Yeah, the big one. University. Sir, how much? How much the dollar?
Now or before?
Before.
Before is one $1 is بيقبل 1 dinar and 25 cents.
Almost same, huh? Almost equal. But now,
Now it's 7 dinars. 7 times more.
7 times more, huh?
So the car which was by 10,000 will be 70.
Yeah.
Yeah, which was 5 will be 35. 7 times. Nice. Oh, Filipino. We are trying to go to Stevia now. Traveling.
Yeah,
So your first time to see this
place.
big place, yeah? Libya is very big.
Libya is a province of Libya.
Yeah. Libya is not the biggest city.
It's a city.
Yes. Good city.
Yeah.
We will go to my house to take the money from there to buy everything. Because I didn't bring only 20 dirham now. The money I left it there.
In your house. So yan mga kabayan, makakarating tayo sa bahay ni boss. We will go to the house of our boss. We go to our house. Simula Brega hanggang Jeddah, 80 kilometers. So it takes 40 minutes to go there. Mag-English tayo. Tingnan nyo. Parang Pilipinas nun eh. We have places like this in the Philippines.
Yeah.
We have empty places. Yeah. Only the electric, you know.
Yeah, this,
The tower, the transformer. That's one. The grid. National power. Haba yung daan na yan, no?
but the Philippines
Sir, how much that 1 liter gasoline here in Libya?
15 cents.
In dollars?
And dollar, maybe 60 cents.
60 cents.
Yeah, 60 cents for 1 liter.
You see how much cheap the gasoline here in Libya. In the Philippines,
How many dollars? 1 liter.
1 liter there, $6.
$6, eh?
Yeah.
$6 you will fill full tank in Libya.
In Libya, $6 already full tank. How many?
Well,
25 liters, that one?
$60, 60 liter.
60 liters?
Yeah.
See? Too much here. Too much cheap here. But the problem, how I can bring that gasoline here in the Philippines?
You know this car it will take maybe $1.50 to fill full tank.
What?
This car.
$1?
$1.50 full tank, yeah.
Yeah. In the Philippines, it's only 70 pesos.
70 pesos.
Yeah, 70 pesos. We full tank. In the Philippines, we full tank the car,
Yeah.
2,000 pesos.
So how many dollars?
Maybe $50.
$50 will be filled the gasoline for the whole month.
Yeah.
For the whole month.
Only one car. We fill $50.
Yeah, you know my son's car take 11 dinar. 11 dinar to fill the same this car.
Yeah.
But white. 11 dinar. That means only $1.50. Yeah, and he fill it and go in Jdabia for 1 week by this $1.50. For 1 week, he can drive in the city
The city,
for $1.50.
So, that house, the story of the gasoline here in Libya. You know, if it is happening in the Philippines,
Yeah.
the Philippines is too much rich, you know.
It will be.
Because, you see, we fill the one car, $50.
Yeah. take the photo of this.
Sa Abu Dhabi na tayo. Yan mga kabayani. This car
And same as car.
$1 one and a half. $1.50. 70 pesos. That is only 1 liter in our country. 1 liter.
No, it's more than 60 liters. More than
In the
60.
Philippines, only 1 liter that one. $1 and a half. So ayan pupunta tayo sa bahay ng boss ko.
Right? It's okay. Okay. This is my house.
This?
No, this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Good. Yan ang bahay ng boss ko. Good balcony,
Yeah, good back.
Yeah.
My sons live there.
At the top,
The top,
Alright, here in the house of my boss. So yun mga kabayani, nandito na tayo sa Jeddah. Isang province to ng ng Libya. Rin to, isa din to sa city sa Libya. Medyo siya. Tong lugar na to medyo improve ba. Ganun. Ito bahay to ng boss ko. Yan. Dito tayo ngayon sa bahay ng boss ko dahil meron kaming pupuntahan dito para magpatimpla tayo ng pintura para sa mga pintor. Magpapamix tayo ng pintura ngayon sinama tayo ng boss natin dahil i-check ko kung ano yung imimix nila. Kasi nagmix ako ng pintura. Ngayon nagustuhan nila yung na-mix natin. Ngayon ipapamix ko naman. Huliin nila kasi medyo mahirapan na ako huli talaga uli yun dahil kulang na ako sa tinting color dahil wala nang supply ng tinting color dito. Ang tinting color nandito kaysa itinting color ko yun, huhuliin na lang ng nagmi-mix ng pintura dito para isang bagsakan na, isang buuan na kasi mahirap pag konti lang yung ma-mix. Nandito kami sa bahay. Oh, there you go.
Cup of tea?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, this is the house of my boss. See? This is the house of my boss. Oh. You are rich. You are rich. You are rich. Good. This is a big. Para daw to sa mga babae. Dito yung yung sala ng mga babae. Sir, you are not a politician.
Huh?
You are not a politician.
No,
Because this kind of house in the Philippines is a house of politician,
Yes, I'm working in the company for 32 years.
Yeah.
To build this house.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, see.
This is the stairs for the guys,
This one for the guys.
Yeah, the guys. They think go to the room upstairs.
This is the room upstairs.
Ah.
This one good, sir.
Yes.
This one for the place for the woman. Yes,
No,
yes.
Anybody came to
Stay here.
And they have 4 rooms there,
Yeah.
and 2 toilets and kitchen. So after that, no.
No problem, sir.
No. Come here.
Yeah. Sorry. So yun mga kabayani, andito tayo at yun pakita ko sa inyo dito kasi merong may ang bahay kasi ng mga Libyan dito. Karamihan siguro ng mga Arabo, Muslim country, Muslim people. Ang bahay nila may division.
You
Ito.
have seen it or not? Or already make videos?
Video.
Huh? Vision. You have signal for internet or not?
So yun, mga kabayani, pinapaliwanag ko uli sa inyo na yung the place here is a divide. This place for the guest for a man, and the
That's
other
not-
side
yeah,
is for the
for the
woman.
men.
So if ever Sarmukta have a visitor, man, they will stay here. And the girls will stay on that side. So that is the way of it. Because in the Philippines, sir, we have only one, we call sala.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Only one sala.
Dining.
Mix.
No.
But I know.
No mixes.
Yeah. So here, that different.
Yeah,
Because,
in our religion, the man cannot
Yes.
stay with the
Yeah.
woman. Yeah.
divide. So,
Yeah, only you can stay with your wife
Yeah.
only.
so,
And your sisters.
Yeah.
The other one. No.
no. So if you have house, must be big.
Yeah.
Because if you have no money, you cannot do this one. This one, maybe this one in the Philippines, maybe when I check, I compute, maybe this one, your house, maybe almost 50 million pesos in the Philippines. This house.
We already have, we'll take $500,000 dinner.
Dinner,
Yes.
see? Only $500,000 here.
$500,000.
But if you bring this kind of house in the Philippines,
It will be,
50 million
yeah. My place is 500
square meters, huh?
520 square meters.
520. Oh, so you are a rich man. Because in the Philippines, if you own that kind of lot,
Yeah.
you're a
Well,
big, you're a big
yeah,
model.
that's a big house, huh?
Yeah. Because the standard of a house there in the Philippines, 100 square meters.
100.
And the floor area is 60
Mhm.
up to the top. And the 40 around.
Around.
Yeah.
60 or 40 around.
Yeah. The 40,
No, it's 320, this house.
the house.
And the others,
The,
around,
the
yeah.
remaining for 520.
Around, yes.
The same.
Yeah.
So that's the way of making house. So yun. Thank you very much, Sir Mukta. I'm happy that I go outside in the company.
I'll stay to take a cup of tea and go. Eh?
Oh, thank you. So yun mga kabayani. Pakakapihin pa tayo. I said to them that give me tea. We are lucky, you know. I'm lucky. Mga kabayani, ang bait ng boss ko. Ang bait yung boss ko. Pero sabi nga nila, kung ano yung pinakikita mo, isusuklihan ka naman nila. Di ba? Kasi hindi naman din ako nagpunta rito para magliwaliw. Nagpunta ako rito maghanap buhay at pangarap ko na mabigyan ng kaginawaan at kaligayahan yung pamilya ko. Di ba? Kaya nandito tayo. Siguro na-appreciate nila yung ating ginagawa sa pagtulong sa trabaho, sa company nila, sa kanila. Kasi yung mga gawain nila, halos tayo na rin yung gumagawa. Pero okay yun dahil nakakatulong sa akin, nakakatulong din ako sa grupo. Na lahat ng pangangailangan namin maibigay nila at masabi ko. Kaya sabi nga nila, give and take lang yan. Kaya hanggang mamaya na lang. Binigyan ako tubig, nasa tabo. Ang laki ng baso. Ang laki ng baso mga kabayani. Nasa tabo no? Tubig nila. Ang laki ng baso. Tabo sa atin to
Son and daughter, small.
Small.
They're sleeping now.
Sleeping.
Yeah, with the AC.
Yeah, because the life here, the night, at the night, the
Yeah.
children at
No,
the
no,
night.
it's because the education is now for the youngest. Finished now.
Their vacation now.
It's vacation now.
Vacation na.
They are on vacation.
The same in the Philippines this time.
This time vacation.
Yeah.
For the education.
The education
But
rest.
this one and the others not.
Still.
There is examination.
Ah,
Maybe this man, this guy on Sunday, the first day for examination.
Special schooling.
Yeah. And the other one is maybe 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks,
Yeah.
Then they will,
This year he will transfer to the university.
alhamdulillah,
Yeah.
mashallah.
But the daughters now in university.
Maybe you become happy guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, nearly, you, everybody, your children will be finished, Inshallah. Okay, we will take chai. This one,
Yeah.
the chai. Oh.
That one for the car.
For the car, car park, your car park. This one, big. Yeah, your safety box here.
For the car.
Good.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, thank you very much, sir, for making this happen. Yan, alis na tayo mga kabayani. At tayo ay bibili na. Nagmerienda lang kami at pumunta rito para kumuha ng pera. Yan o. Labas na kami. Only your house a different design. Only your house is a different design.
The guys.
You have relatives here inside? You have relatives here? Your brother here? No.
No.
Only you, huh?
Me and my wife and
Your
son
children.
will go together.
Your children, huh?
My own.
Is this the one you said to me, the new house, your new house?
Yes.
Your old house where?
It's inside the city.
Inside the city. So yan, bibili na tayo ng pintura. We call pintura in the Philippines. Pintura.
Ventura.
Aywa. Pintura. Paint. Pintura. So yan, we are now in the paint center. This one, the paint center. This one, the paint center. The paint center. This one, paint center. Dito po tayo magpapamix. Yan yung paint center. Ayan. Check natin, daming pintura niyan.
خلاص تمام تو نشوف ان
أيوة،
شاء الله
نبالي
بعد
استعمل.
نجي غد نشوف
Nakakuha na kami ng pintura.
وين توهيه والله باه. تمام.
And we get already the paint. Then we will check
The city.
the city and check the hook of Victor
Yeah, Victor.
and check the rice. Ay. This one, oh.
المهم جيت صراحه البدري قلت له صراحه راهو الموضوع واحد قال لي لا، قلت له صورنا له تو التزويق اللي زوقوه هذوم، قال لي لا نمشي عليه. قلت لما انا اعطيني سياره، انا سيارتي راهو تهلوها عيد خديجه طفوها امس في جديبيه، شوي خذيت سياره طارق البرق عرفتوا. ايوه خلاص وسقطنا وفرتتشا وقعد يصور في جديبيه قاعد. مش قلت لك في المكتب بتاعي؟ ها مكتبي قاعد على اليمين، تلقاه مكتوب على اليمين، ما معك يوسفو. خلاص بقى قلبش وتلقاه تسريح طالع هني فيه هني زواق فيه 25 سطر وهني شوف ما فيش ورقه بتاعت تسريح على المكتب. والله نجيبوا لهم خير نحن من المرات اللي مبلي يقول لك نبوه في اخر النهار عارفهم انت. خلاص لقيتها تسريحه. هاي اوكي.
This one bank.
This one bank. This bank is my bank account in it.
Here. WADA Bank.
واحدة
What's the meaning of WADA?
واحدة combine.
Combined. Joint account, WADA Bank.
Look at the traffic.
Yeah. The same in the Philippines, you know. Traffic is the best policy. Yung mga tsinelas, oh. Ito, mga tindahan ng tsinelas. This one good. You know? Tsinelas.
On the other side,
Yeah. Shoes, t-shirts. You have everything here.
Yes, we have clothes, yeah.
Yeah.
Stores, For
For clothes, yeah.
for perfume.
Perfume.
For
ito,
men, yeah.
For men.
Yeah, this street for all. Clothes. My clothes. In the night,
Yeah.
it will be busy.
Busy, yeah.
Busy. The street.
Especially now the weather.
Yeah, the weather is very hot.
Very hot. The night. So yun mga kabayani, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na uli kami sa company namin. We will return again. We have finished here. We already take what we need. And thank you very much to Sir Mukta for the rice and for the soap.
To eat and watch.
Yeah. And you, my group, I give the 70 to Sir Mukta. Maybe you think, but thank you very much, sir, for your time, giving me a chance here to come here. Thank you very much, sir. This is my big memories to Libya.
Next chance for victory.
Yeah.
So Victor will see this
Place, yeah, Victor.
Yeah.
Maybe he will jump because he is happy. He go outside, fresh his mind. Yeah.
I'll try to get some guys.
Yeah. Maybe before we go
Yeah,
back to the Philippines,
Yeah.
we come here to buy, something.
it's okay. No problem.
The chocolates and
Yeah.
when we get our $100 before we go, perfume,
Yeah.
for madam.
Yes, inshallah, I'll promise you.
Yeah, sure.
My car, even divided by
Yeah, divide.
divided.
Thank you, sir. Maybe one bus or one big car.
One big car.
Yeah.
That's it,
Yeah. So my group.
Resident car.
Yeah.
Take
Yeah.
maybe 6 or 7.
Yeah, Asudin car is big. Yeah. So my group will become happy. So before they live in Libya, they can give some gifts to their family. Especially your chocolates are here. It's
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, there is a store for chocolate. Yeah.
The Maestro, the Said, all Filipino like that one.
Chocolate.
Yeah, that one is good than Japan.
Ah.
And you know the chocolate from Germany, Van Houten, it's good, you know.
These stores, there's a lot which take the rice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
By
yeah.
bucket.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
take
Ev-
bucket,
yeah, every Filipino too. We will buy.
inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. So now we will go outside at Jeddah. We will return to Brega now. And there's too much friends Sudanese here. Yan po mga kabayani. Medyo English Tagalog tayo. Parang kala mo marunong mag-English no? Yan, alright. You can see we are now on runabout. The circle.
So to the Marine too,
Yeah,
we are coming
coming
with the paint.
with the paint, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
you paid the woman here for
Yeah.
marriage.
Yeah, we'll be, yeah.
How?
Will be a gold. We'll write it in this contract between the man and the woman. You know,
Yeah.
you will sign in the law. So you put it. How many grams of gold you will pay? Maybe you will not pay. Maybe it's be deleted another time.
Another
But
time,
should be put it in the which called the letter which go to the law.
The contract,
Yeah, contract. How many grams of gold and how many dinar you pay if you leave this side. You don't like this wife. Yeah?
Yeah.
You will pay this gold and this money
Money.
for her. For her. You will pay. You will put this grams of gold.
How much in dinar you pay?
Now it's because the gold is too much expensive.
Yeah.
Maybe you will pay 150,000 dinar.
For one woman,
Yeah, but you will not pay. You just write.
That's right,
Yeah, it will be in this letter.
Not included the house,
No.
The house is separate.
Separated. If you have children, more than 3 children,
Yeah.
the wife will take the house. Yeah, should be. More than 3 children, the wife will take the house.
You have no more house,
No more house. She will take it with the
Children,
Yeah, with your children. She will stay in the house and you will leave.
That's-
Yes, you will leave the house and she will stay. My house is what? It's belong to her. Now,
Now,
if I want to leave, خلاص, it's covered. I will leave the house and she will stay with the children.
children,
Yes,
that is the law.
that's the law. It's the law.
If you have 3 children on your wife, already the house owned by your wife.
It's okay. No, it's belong to me now.
Now.
But if I like to leave her, she will stay in the house and take the house.
Take the house. You
Yeah,
have
we will
no
stay. She will be the owner.
the owner, If you are the one who decide to leave,
Yeah.
he will take the house.
Yes.
Then you will pay 150,000 dinar,
Dinner, yeah, for this.
and
Without the house.
without the house.
Without the house. This is the price of the gold.
The gold only.
The gold, yeah. Or bring the gold. Or you will give money.
Money, cash,
Cash money. Or you if you don't pay, you will go to jail. This one will put you in jail. For a long time.
So here, it's hard to get a wife,
Huh?
It's hard.
Yes.
You must be earning money,
Yes.
Must be young.
Build house or rent house. Should be.
Should be, So,
Difficult.
so sometimes I saw 30,000 35 is still single.
Yes, that's thing. Because it's difficult. This
Yeah, difficult this one because you must raise 150,000 dinar
Yes.
for the gold only, not
For the gold, yeah.
separate the house and the car. So now,
Difficult to manage.
yeah, now I understand why some of you have wife 40 years old and above.
Yes. Yes, that's it.
That is the reason why. It's not separate the land, you know, the land.
How the Philippine house this come?
Only ito.
Ah,
Only ito, like this one. You are a girl. You like me?
Yeah,
I like you?
yeah.
Yes.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Then we will see it in the future. If we marriage good,
Ah,
we'll be happy together. Then we'll make children. As long we are happy, no problem. But there's no like that. We need to give.
no,
No.
we give, bring a lot of things.
You know, the woman here is very special. You know?
Very special.
Very special. Very special.
The woman will be stay in the house, take care of children.
Children
Yeah.
only, huh? Only
Yes.
the
No, my wife is a teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's there. And takes 2,000 dinar
Yeah.
a month.
A month.
Takes 1,000 dinar.
2,000 dinar. Nowadays, the woman is working.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
No
It's
problem.
working.
And maybe 5 years, 10 years, old generation become, change. Change, modern.
Yeah,
Become
modern.
modern.
Yeah, it's become modern. Yeah.
Become modern.
Now Libya not the same
Yeah,
before.
before.
Not the same.
The culture,
Yeah. There's a doctors and nurse.
Yeah.
Goes to the hospital is working. My sister is working in the big hospital in Jdebi.
Yeah.
She's nurse there.
When I come here 2008, here is conservative,
Mm.
conservative, sensitive. Everything is, the woman stay in the house,
Yeah.
not working.
Not working.
But now-
no, today it changes to
Yeah,
the
change.
modern things. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better.
Even the daughter goes to the university.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the English
With the boys and the English
return again.
yeah, to the educations.
It's better for our children that one.
Yeah, it should be.
Should be because I'm
the other language. Yeah.
yeah, it's sad for me when I saw children go to other country and it's hard for them,
Hard to
Yeah.
talk with the people. Yes.
Yeah, to talk to the people and to tell them that I'm happy, That's sometimes I'm sad, like that. Must be equal,
So your children can speak English.
Yeah, because the Philippines,
Education. There is
Yeah.
an English
we have subject already. When
for English. Yeah.
for English. Because the subject there, math, English, Filipino, and science. The four. That for science is for discovery,
Yes.
and the math for the numbers, and Filipino for the history of the Philippines.
Yes.
And the English is the language.
The language. Yeah.
Yeah, the language. That one. So, when you're born in the Philippines, you already know the basic English.
The basic English.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the basic English.
Some lessons in education.
Yeah, automatic.
Yeah, A, B, C, the
Yeah,
letters
ABC.
and those small words.
Yeah, that is our alphabet. ABC. So,
Yeah, we already my small daughter and boys take English.
yeah, I saw.
A, C, B, boys, girls,
Yeah.
dogs, cats,
Yeah. I heard.
table, chairs.
I heard the son of Ahmed.
Yeah.
The son of Ahmed is very good in English.
Yes.
But I speak to Ahmed.
Yeah.
Your son is good, but
Yeah,
the
but
fa-
Ahmed is not.
but the father is not good. Maybe you return to the school.
Comes.
Mga kabayani, yung camel, oh. Oh, camel. Camel. Is this one bite? No. Camel, oh. See? The camel. Yeah, there's a camel, oh. camel. Oh. Mga camel, oh. Maybe they will...
Did you? No, no, no.
Really?
No, no. Maybe try to get far away from you. But slowly, yeah?
Yeah. So, yun, oh, mga kabayani, oh. Camel, oh. There's a camel, oh. Oh. Bye, camel. Bye-bye. Camel. Camel. Sir Mukta, thank you very much again, ha? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will clean your house.
We'll repeat it again.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
For a long time.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
We'll go from the morning up to the end of the day to buy things.
Yeah, inshallah, before we go, inshallah, we can go there. Because much better to buy there. Too much, you know.
Too much, yeah.
Everything is there. Everything is there. So yan mga kabayani, sobrang nagpapasalamat tayo kay Sir Mukta. Yan na tayo ay sinamahan. So dito na tayo sa Brega. We're back in our company. Thank you very much again, Sir Mukta.
Okay.
Thank you very much again. So there's the gate. Yan o. Dito na tayo sa aming company. We are here already in our company. This is the place. This is a place. 5 months. I'm staying here. This one.
The same day.
The same day. When
No
you
change, yeah.
no change.
Walk the building.
Walk the building. When you open your eyes, the same. The same.
The same faces.
Yeah,
the same things.
The same things, the same faces, the same food. Everything the same, you know. And now the same nothing. Yes, because nothing at all. This one is the porta cabin, the regular one house. And we are now nearly.
So when they come back, make a pudra.
So yun mga kabayani, bali nadala na natin sa kanila yung pintura nila ngayon. Sinusupervise kasi natin itong mga pintor tsaka itong mga mason dito sa labas. Bali habang nag-aantay tayo ng galaw natin at yung sa loob naman okay na ano na natin sa kanila kung anong mga gagawin nila. Ngayon ang inaalalayan naman natin ngayon yung ating finishing dito sa labas kasi mahalaga to mga kabayani. Itong finishing sa labas, sabi nga nila first impression last. Kaya syempre itong labas dapat maayos to mga kabayani. Bali medyo nagkaroon tayo ng ano rito, sapin dito sa kung anong kulay ng breaker, ng paste niya. At least ngayon alhamdulillah at mashallah dahil na final na, pumayag na sila na ito na ang ating final ano. Bali ito yung tinimpla nating kulay, itong dark brown na to na medyo may pula to. Bali itong breaker natin, itong dark brown na to at okay naman, salamat at okay sa kanila. Medyo hindi na tayo magtatagal dito sa usapin tungkol sa pintura. Ngayon ito pina-final na nila Chong Marinito at Chong Arnulfo yung galawan na to. At inshallah sana maayos natin to. Sabi nga nila wala naman perfectong trabaho pero doon pa rin tayo sa maayos at maganda sa paningin, di ba? Kasi kung sasabihin natin na mape-perfect nila yung breaker ng linya na yan, medyo walang galon. May sabit at sabit yan kahit papano. Pero ang mahalaga, hindi kita sa mata ng malayong nakapwesto. Yun di ba? Ang pintura kasi, makikita mo lang ang sablay niya pag nilapitan mong maigi. Pero kung nasa malayo, okay lang yan. Lalo na kung nasa taas, wala naman para umakyat doon, para check-in. Di ba? Pero kung makikita nyo naman, okay naman, di ba? Para sa atin, okay naman. At ngayon, si Victor at si Bambino, si Alvin, ayun, nire-repair na. Tapos pagka semento yan, pagka repair niyan, bubudrahan niya naman yan. Tapos sasagasaan naman ng mga pintor natin na si Chong Arnulfo at si Chong Marinito. At ingat-ingat sila palagi. Lahat naman sila naka-safety belt. Safety belt. Harness, safety harness. At siguro minsan hindi nila nasasabit kasi medyo sa galawan nila. Kung sureball naman sila doon sa pwesto nila at sitwasyon nila, di okay lang. Pero hanggat maaari, isabit katulad yung kay Victor, nasa sobra dulo na siya, kaya nakasabit yung kanyang harness. At yan, alam ko naman safe na safe ang mga tropa natin dahil unang-una itong scaffold na to, mga scaffolder talagang nagtayo niyan. Kaya levelado yan at matibay yan mga kabayanig. Ngayon inshallah, sana itong buwan na to, matapos na namin to, finishing na kami lahat, finishing touch na lang to at sa tiles at sa mason repair na lang sa loob at sa pintura naman sa first coating na sila. Ngayon pag lahat na first coating yan, naiayos na lahat ng mga pinturahin ng first coating, final coat na tayo mga kabayani. Yan mga kabayani, ganun lang galawan dito sa Libya. Ganito at fourth floor tong imara na to, tong building na ginagawa namin, nire-repair namin. Ngayon ito yung isa sa mga tatlong nire-repair namin sa ngayon. Pero sabi nila 16 to na aayusin natin. Kaya siguro mga kabayani, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat at sa lahat ng nagmamahal kay Daddy Nick TV. Kay Kuyang Emet Tablan, I love you Kuyang Emet Tablan at sobrang salamat talaga sa iyo dahil kundi dahil sa iyo hindi tayo makakaranas at makakatikim gumamit ng GoPro. I love you Kuyang Emet Tablan. At kay Kuya Darwin Reyes, kay Tita Let Ramos Rogers, kay Boss Julius Mendez, kay Boss Jesse Peñareo, kay Boss Jerry Hunter, at kay Boss Tim Biker, kay Ninong Japper Sniper, kay Needle Japper Sniper, kay Tim at sa aking Team Chongke, kay Buddy, kay Bidogs at kay Chong Luis. At sa lahat ng nagmamahal sa atin, sa mga kumparit ninong ko na Sword Family. At sa mga taga Bukana, I love you all. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa. Baka sumabit na naman tayo, sumablay tayo sa pagbanggit ng pangalan. May makalimutan tayo. Basta tandaan nyo, lahat ng nakaharap at nakasalamuhan ni Daddy Nick TV, kung ano ko, yun ako. Akin na yun. I love you all mga kabayani. Siguro, hindi na tayo magpapakita ng face natin. Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog, kung makakatsyempo uli. I love you all mga kabayani.
Buhay Libya with Daddy Nick TV.